Internet Programming Case Study. My name is Sri Sandus. I'm from CSB to represent this case study. So next go on. So this is my question. Write a servlet code to keep tracking of number of times a user is visiting the pages and display the appropriate count. So let's see. So what is a servlet? So servlet technology is to create a web applications, resides at the server side and generate dynamic web pages. So when we talk about a servlet, it is used to create dynamic web pages. So when we consider web pages are also in two types, which means static page and dynamic page, which means the static page when the client sends a response in the web container, there is a response according to the file which is contained in the web server. The automatically response will come to the client. This is a static, which means static means directly when we get the response, but when with the dynamic page, when the client sends a response, so according to this link, there is a any file it will check, and if any file is not found, it goes to an helper application, and in the helper application means it is a web container. In the web container there will be a servlet which is responsible for creating and dynamic web pages and also dynamic web pages, and the responses will be in the HTML formats. So for example, when we take as a Facebook, when we according when we are entering some details, profile details, all thing, but when we want to retrieve the details, it is dynamically building it is dynamically creating a page and respond to the client. So which means servlet is a dynamic. So servlet also considered as a dynamic pages. So why do we need a servlet? The primary purpose of servlet application is to define a robust mechanism for sending a content to client as well as defined by client and server model. So it is a robust mechanism for sending a client as defined by and client and server model. So okay, next thing we are going to see about cookies. So these are the things we are going to build that question task. So what is on cookies? Cookie is a small piece of information that is persistently between the multiple client and request. By default, each request is considered as a new request. Cookie technique, we add the cookies with responsible from the servlet. When we consider the user or a client visiting the websites, which means when the user visits the websites, that case memory, that data will be stored in the cookies. When the user visits on another time, which is considered as an old user. So cookies is stored in the cache of the browser. After that, if request is sent by the user, the cookie is added to the request by default, and this will be recognize the user as an old user. So this is cookies. Cookies is an issue to store the cache memory when we are recently visiting the pages. So next slide we are going to see about types of cookies. Types of cookies, it means non-persistent cookies and persistent cookies. Non-persistent cookies, it is a valid for a single session only. It is removed each time when the user closes the browser. For example, when the user visiting the websites, so it is only responsible for something only that time only. For persistent cookies, it is verify multiple times. It is not removed each time when the user closes the browser. It is removed only if the user log out or sign out. So this is when we close the browser, and this is only then the user log out or sign out the process. So these are the types of cookies. So these are the types of cookies used. Next slide. Some code. So this is a servlet code for how many times the user visits the website, and it is most this respond, and this is the code, and this is static. This import statement, import java.io, and public class visit servlet extension. This is a class HTTP servlet, so it is responsible for decision and the static int I is equal to 1 and public void do get HTTP request and HTTP response IO and server HTTP request. This is a interface which is used for getting an request, and HTTP servlet response, it is used for getting the request from the server. This is on when the client is used to send a request, and response dot set content type when the servlet is used to dynamically send an response using the HTML file. So response dot set content type text slash HTML, and the server response in the HTML format. So printer, this is a printer iteration used to write an information. So out response dot get writer. So when we passing that value, the value of string dot value of, when we converting the static int I is equal to, this is a static type, this is a constant. When we consider as a static, it means it's constant. So string k, case and variable string that value of I, when we are converting this an integer to one string. So the cookie c is equal to new cookie visit k. So cookie is now we see before, it is responsible for storing an cache data, the recent information about the user, whatever the doing. So cookie class is cookie c, and now we are passing that k, and response dot add cookies. Response dot add cookies means when we had a HTTP servlet the HTTP servlet response, this object, when we are adding this cookie object to the response, what is mean, it means when we are visiting the website, cookie class will store the information about the how many times the user visits. So for that purpose only we are adding that response to the cookie class. Okay, next line. Int j is equal to integer dot parse in c dot get value. C is an C is a string type. So when we are going to get in the integer format, so when the j is equal to 1 out dot println system welcome to one page. So else otherwise you are visiting at if the variable is in j, so this cookie is responsible for how many times the user will visit the website. So the value is when we pass this j, so j is equal to 1, welcome to the page. Otherwise it will show the how many times the user visited the that pages. So it will increment the value when the how many times the user will visit the website, how many time it will increment the value to show the how many times the user will visit this sites. So next one, this is an output. This is an output. They are, for example, I shown they are resetting the 4 times. So this is a code for that task. So thank you.